jump on your bed to get your skinny jeans on. Oh my God, I think I met my challenge. These jeans, oh my goodness. Guys, I want you to break out your skinny jeans. I will be zipping these up. Oh, did you ever have to do this? What about this one? Lay on the bed and like fight with the zipper. Oh my gosh, remember those days? Well, I met my match with these, all right? These were so expensive. I've not worn them in a while. And you're like, I will, come hell or high water, get these jeans on! Skinny jean challenge! I will conquer you, guys. Look, the zipper is begging for mercy. Okay, so I can barely pull them up. This is my skinny jeans that I will be going to be using for my challenge. And I'm here to give you a jolt to J&L, guys. Here to give you a jolt to J&L. Let me tell you what, that was a workout. Let me lower the camera here so I can really talk to you guys. So we're kicking off the skinny jean challenge on Tuesday the 18th. Oh, that was good. Okay, so I'm at my match. These are mine. Look at this. Lord have mercy. Look at, I will have the last laugh with these skinny jeans, okay? I'm going to rule and crush the skinny jean challenge. Now, ask yourself this question. Do you have a pair of pants in your closet or a dress or a shirt or whatever you've not been able to wear, and you have had it up to here with the bloat, with the belly sticking out, and you want to really get it in tight? Woo! Well, February is our challenge, a skinny jean challenge. So break out the ones you want to really be able to zip up starting February 18th. Congratulations to everyone that already signed up. If you have not, it's $1 to join. Send it to my PayPal. I will be personally matching that. I'm going to be sending the lump sum to St. Jude's. We're already over $200. I'm so excited to put this miracle into motion. So right now, I want you to get all the things that you need. You're going to do your massagers. You're going to do your brushing. Skin is your largest organ, right, guys? Sometimes your skin has jet lag. Sometimes your skin has just like congestion. If your skin is like, looks like the bottom of an ashtray and it's just gray, it doesn't have that vibrant glow. Look at this already. Doesn't have that vibrant glow. Get to brushing, get to using your rollers, get your measuring tape, take your measurements, okay? Around the waistline, around your butt. We're starting on the 18th for 7 days, all the way to Monday the 25th. We're gonna whip ourselves into shape for the Skinny Jean Challenge. Again, it is already part of the VIP program. To opt in, it's only $1, like I said. I'm gonna show you my fat crushing foods. I'm gonna share with you what I drink, what I eat. Also, little secrets like, no, not putting Vaseline on your hips so your pants slide up easier. No, no, no. I'm gonna have you lose inches, create those sexy curves. I wanna also have you cinch in your waistline. I'm gonna share with you my favorite corsets that I wear for the day and the night. I'm gonna share with you my secrets on how to stop waking up bloated and to start having energy and really be able to zip up these jeans. So these are the jeans that I'm entering personally. I'm doing the work with my VIPs, okay? And I'm really excited about that. And I'm gonna be sharing with you things that are in my books that you can find. By the way, the Reclaim and Unleash Your VIP Power Book is 1/3 fat crushing recipes, my superfoods that I eat to burn fat and feed the muscle, starve the fat, feed the muscle. I'll be pulling recipes and my grocery guide out of there. Look, this even goes for inches in those hard to hit areas. So congratulations, everybody. Hello, Rita, Michelle. Hello, Megan. I am so thrilled. If you want more information, you can go to jnovip.com and join. It's only $1 for your first 30 days. So you're going to be able to pull your jeans up and zip them. Hello, Tammy. You can do it. Tammy. Woo woo. Let me tell you what. Happy Galentine's. We're on fire with so much love here in our VIP group. So let's get ready for the Skinny Jean Challenge. Let's get ready for Galentine's. I even posted fun work. And if you're looking for the fat crushing foods, if you're looking at those at-home spa beauty treatments you want to do, if you're looking for, hello, Brooke. If you're looking for things to really help you crack your fat loss code, kind of unzip and peel off that extra 5 pounds. I'm going for 3 to 5 pounds myself, just to just to tighten it up crazy to get ready then for bikini season. And guess what the advantages of opting in? The advantages are that you're going to, within 7 days, have created a whole new set of healthy habits, number one. Number two, you're going to stick to those habits because you are linking and associating pleasure and results with those. You're going to stop fighting with food. I'm going to be holding you guys accountable. Out of the blue, I'm going to be texting everyone in our group. What are you eating right now? What's on the end of your fork? What is on the end of your spoon? What is in your mouth to hold you accountable? Because you know what? Abs are made in the kitchen. And it's 80% nutrition, so it's all about food, guys. We can work out until we're blue in the face, but if you don't have your food in check, that's where you're slipping. Now, the only thing slipping in this are these jeans slipping up on your hips. You're not going to have to put Vaseline on the side of your hips anymore. And the only thing slipping is going to be this button slipping into this little hole right here. And this zipper slipping. No more you slipping on your food program. So if you're ready for this, Skinny Jean Challenge starts the 18th. Here we go. Then we're going to go straight into March bikini season. It's going to be a win-win-win all over the place. I will see you guys soon. Let's do this. Go to jnlvip.com. I'm so excited for your results. I'm doing it with you guys. Let's go. By the way, last but not least, Friday for our private jolt, I'm going to be giving all of the members that have already opted into the challenge your print off follow along guide with my top secret tips to help you finally create the body of your dreams. And it's easier than you think. Let's do this. I love you guys. Woo! Thank you. Thank you so much. jnlvip.com. Look at this. I need some help over here. I'll see you guys soon. God bless. Hey, Ashley, what are your goals, by the way? Email me, thejennifernnicolely@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Mwah. Guys, sign up, jnlvip.com. I'm going to say until I'm blue in the face because I'm fighting for your right to be fit. I'm not doing this to get rich, believe you me. I'm doing this because I am passionate about it, and I love to see your results, and you can do it. Let's do it together. Woo, woo. Bye, guys. Love you, Yelly. Hello, Suzanne. Love you guys. Let's go. Hello, hello, hello. All right, I'm out. See you guys soon. Love you. Can you feel my energy and my excitement?